Hello everybody, ScalversGadgets here. I'm going to make an app review. This one's called BB Box Pro. It's $1 in the App Store. I think it's kind of funny and entertaining. Big button box. And here you get a variety of 8 columns of sounds. They're really funny sounds. It's really cool.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
You get different options, like down here, if you see it, it's a button, and when you click on a button, it gets bigger. And I like it like this. There's different options in which order they can be in, and you can get more apps from the creator. So this is called Big Button Box. It's $1 in the App Store, and it's just entertaining, fun. I bought it because it looked interesting. So I do not regret buying it. I'm saying it's entertaining. It's something to play around with or mess around with your friends and annoy them, you know. Well, that's called Big Button Box. Thanks for watching.